The company I want to talk to you guys today about is called HIMS, H-I-M-S. And this is the company that I've been talking about for the last 1 month. And I jumped into this company when it was around $16 per share. And as a matter of fact, I jumped into this company even before all invest put it under her radar and she bought this company. And why I'm very excited about this company is this. And this is the company, it's in my top 5 company in my portfolio. As you guys know, I don't invest into 20 company, 30 company. I only invest into 5 company most. And HIMS is one of my top company. I strongly believe HIMS is gonna be the future of healthcare plus e-commerce. So let's put it this way. HIMS is a company, it's kind of like, it takes care of all of your health for women and men, and plus it's e-com that allow people to purchase online and ship to your door. Imagine this, why am I so excited about HIMS? And I can see HIMS is gonna disrupt the whole entire healthcare industry. Like, ask yourself the question, like every time you want to go see the doctors, like you have the healthcare, you pay a premium price each month, and after you pay the money each month, a lot of time you probably lazy to go see the doctor, or sometimes when you get sick, you don't want to go to the doctor office too, because every time you go there, you're like, oh, you gotta wait in line, and the line is too long. And even after you wait for a long line, you see the doctor, they double check you. Okay, is everything okay? Okay, you're not getting sick, and they're gonna prescribe you a medication, and that's it. 80% of the time, the people, they don't really need to see the doctor face to face yet, okay? And so what happened in this company is HIMS is disrupt the whole entire healthcare industry by allow the consumer using their phone with the app and schedule the appointment with the doctors at home, right on their bed or anywhere, so convenient. And they can select the doctor, and now they can talk to the doctor about any kind of problem, whether it's related to sexual, whether it's related to hair loss, whether it's related to, you know, you broke your leg, broke your arm, whatever of your personal problem that you are not comfortable to go to the office and talk to the doctor, right? And it's same thing for women as well. They can consult with the doctor about anything. Talk to the doctor. And after you talk to the doctor, guess what happened? And now you're gonna go and the doctor say, okay, you have this problem. They're going to prescribe your medication and ship directly to your home. And that's it, simple as that. I think this company is really changing the game. And on top of that, if you get sick, right, and you want to see the doctor in real life, you can also go to the doctor office as well, and you pay a small subscription price each month, which is, I love the business model, a subscription, okay? So if you want to go to the pharmacist and really get your medication, you can also go there as well, or they can ship back to you to your house. I think this model is so convenient. I like to think HIMS is more like think of HIMS like this. It's more like a Shopify e-commerce plus the healthcare company like Clover. Clover is the new healthcare company. So I like to think of like it's mixing healthcare and plus e-commerce together. It's like a Shopify in healthcare. And I think this company is gonna explode very soon, and I think it's so convenient. I imagine myself like using it, and I think like, and on top of that, if you know about Jennifer Lopez, she actually and her husband invest into this company. They are the venture capital behind this company, and I really think that the future is gonna be online, and a lot of people, they're gonna stay at home and pretty much schedule online to talk to the doctor. And you already see that happening already through Amazon, to Shopify, to many different things. But this company, they take that to the next level, healthcare plus e-commerce. All right, guys, so if you want to learn more about that, go and do more research. But I think this company, I invest when it was at 16 and now it's 22 already. And it's still not too late to jump into this company. I think it's gonna be 10x probably in the next 5 to 7 years. All right, guys, good luck and invest like a genius.